Hi class, welcome to week 4. We are moving into the last 2 weeks of class. These last 2 weeks of class are very important. Number one, the rest of your assignments are worth 100 points. So the assignment that you have this week that's due, you only have one assignment due this week, it's worth 100 points. And the assignments that you have due next week, which is 2 assignments, are both worth 100 points. So that's 300 points that you need to make sure that you complete in the next couple of weeks, because missing those assignments could drastically change your grade. So I just want you to keep that in mind, okay? Now, before I move into what we're doing in week 4, I kind of want to recap week 3 study skills. We had great discussion about our study habits in the discussion board last week. You guys had some great ideas about what you could do to make things more interesting when you study, how to plan to study more, great time management plans that you guys submitted, and then also your notes. Many of you seem to have a good grasp on how to take notes and the importance of notes in your study habits. So good job with week 3. Now, let's move into week 4. This week we're going to talk about problem solving. We're going to talk about how you analyze and how you critically think about things. And critically thinking means analyzing, that you're actually taking something and thinking about it from different perspectives and analyzing every way that you may approach a situation. And then we're also going to talk about problem solving and what is your process for solving a problem. What do you actually do? For me, I journal a lot, so I write down my steps to solve a problem or my ideas about solving a problem before I actually go and tackle solving it. In the discussion board this week, you're going to listen to a guy talk on TED Talks, talk about how to solve problems. And he has some interesting ideas about how to problem solve. Let me know your thoughts about what he says in the discussion board. Don't forget to answer the 2 questions after you watch the video there. And then talk about how you solve your own problems. What is your process for solving problems? And then in assignment 4, you're actually going to read about Aslan. He has a serious problem, and you guys are going to help him solve the problem. You're going to type out your answers and submit them. Again, this assignment is worth 100 points. And then one last thing I want to remind you of, in your jump to weeks pages, you'll see an area for you to take an end of term survey. Here, the end of term course survey. I also posted a link in the announcement, so you can also access the end of term survey there. This survey is very important. We do read every survey. We improve our instruction, we improve our curriculum, our courses for you. So your voice matters. Your voice is important to the learning process at Vista College. So please, please, please complete the survey for the course. And that's it. So you have the survey, you have a discussion, and you have one assignment that's due this week. So it's kind of a short week in comparison to what you've had due at the beginning of the week, right? Don't forget, you need to complete all of your work. If you have anything missing, please submit it. Remember, every point counts, okay? All right. If you need me, contact me. Have a great week.